So guys, how to use transition in Premiere Pro? As you can see, here I have a preview clip, and after that I immediately jumped into the tutorial. So it's looking odd. So how to use transition? It's really simple. Move your cursor to the joint, then right click, apply default transition. Let's zoom into the timeline. So this is our transition. Let's see what happened here. See, now we have cross dissolve transition. Suppose we don't want to use the transition in audio part. So for that, just left click on the part, then press on delete. Now we only have transition in video part. If you want to increase the duration of the transition, for that move your cursor at the edge of the transition area, then left click, drag. Now what if we want to apply different transition? So for that, go to effect from here. If your effect is not here, click on this button, then select effect from here. If your effect is not available in this button, then go to window, enable the effect from here. Now under effect we have audio transition and video transition. Expand the video transition. Suppose we want to use zoom transition. So for that, left click, drag and drop. Sometimes when we apply transition, the transition may be applied only on one side. So how to solve this problem? Click on the transition, then go to effect control, change alignment from start at cut to center at cut. Your problem will be solved. Let's see what you have. Simple zoom transition. If you want any of the transition as your default transition, select the transition, right click, set selected as default transition. Now the last thing, suppose we want to customize our transition. So for that, select the transition, then go to effect control at the top left side. If your effect control is not here, you can enable it from here. Now let's see what we have. So radial wipe. Let's change something. We can see the preview here. If you want to change some setting, it's really simple. Click on any of the corners. See the transition direction changed. Also let's add a border here. Border width. See, border color, let's put a white border color. So guys, it's really that simple. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.